this is what we are going to make today. And you need to buy this modern magic. And you need a red clay, black clay, white clay, and yellow clay. So here's how you make it. So you take the red clay first, make a little head, and make a tail. And then you take the white Play-Doh, and then you roll it into balls like this. Then you take the black Play-Doh and make one eye and another eye, and then get some more white Play-Doh, but this time take a little tiny bit and put it right there and put it right here. And then you take the yellow Play-Doh and make the beak and the legs and then you make the fins. And then we need more black Play-Doh to make the hair. And that's